Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce today that we're kicking off our video series called Demystifying Biotech. We believe that the broader population should be able to have the confidence and knowledge to invest in biotech where there's significant returns to be made. Overall, biotech doesn't have to be a scary investment space, and you don't necessarily have to have a deep biology background in order to do well. Through my years of investing, I've discovered that a biotech background certainly helps, but is not necessary. As long as you have the right framework to help you identify high potential biotech companies with limited risk, generally you'll do pretty well in the biotech space. So today I want to kick off a video on why I started investing in biotech and what the main reasons why I continue investing in biotech. So why don't we dive in and get started? The first reason why I decided to focus my investments in biotech is because of the huge unmet need for medicine. As modern medicine becomes more and more advanced, people are going to start living longer. Just in the past 20 years, the average lifespan around the world increased by over 5.5 years. What this means is that there's an ever-growing population of elderly people that's going to seek medical treatment or have medical needs. This space is not going to disappear anytime soon, and as people live longer, typically more diseases would be developed. Investing in a field that grows with the advancement of technology is always positive and beneficial because that need will always be there. The second reason why I invest in biotech is because there's edge. Because biotech is a very complicated space, most investors stay away from it, especially retail investors. Even hedge funds generally stay away from it, except for very much biotech-specific hedge funds. What this means for me as a biotech investor is that I have edge and that I can move faster than others in this space. There aren't many spaces on the market where you can find this edge, and because biotech is one of those spaces, I'm definitely focusing my attention there. The third reason why I invest in biotech is because of the high potential returns. Now, with high returns, there's always high risk, right? Not necessarily. When people think of biotech, they think of 200, 300% returns. Well, the thing is, you don't have to shoot for those types of returns because I guarantee you there's a high risk associated. What I like to focus on is 30 to 40% returns. Because of biotech's volatility, you can actually find those opportunities pretty commonly. As long as you do the right financial modeling and analysis, you should be able to find undervalued biotech stocks that aren't in a risky position and has significant upside for share price appreciation. So that's what's enabled us to get these 30, 40% returns consistently. The fourth reason why I invest in biotech is because it's resistant to broader market trends. In situations like the housing crisis or the COVID pandemic, biotech does a lot better because it doesn't depend on consumer discretionary income. While hotels and airlines are hit dramatically when people don't have money to spend or don't want to spend money, biotech is always going to be in a position where it's not affected. Because one, people need to spend money on medicine no matter what. And two, a lot of biotech companies are actually pre-revenue. They're in the R&D phase of their development. This means that they're focused on development, not focused or worried about selling. And this is beneficial as it helps us hedge against broader market movements. The fifth and final reason why I invest in biotech is because it's interesting and I know that I'm doing good. Biotech investing allows me to use all parts of my brain, trying to figure out all the different aspects of the healthcare industry in order to make the right decisions. It's not like investing in, let's say, something like JCPenney or Tesla, where there's just a lot of hype and the stock's moving and you can't really figure out why, or it's just something that you know is consistent, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. Biotech is something that I can always talk to my friends about day in and day out because there's always something interesting and cutting edge happening in the space. What's more is that I know that my investments are going towards good. When I'm investing in a biotech company, I'm helping that company be able to develop drugs for rare diseases or incurable oncology that will fundamentally benefit humankind. This is a type of investing that I enjoy, and that's why I'm going to continue investing in biotech. If you guys liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out our website at www.wx.capital. We have a great subscription service that allows you to get real-time trades as well as market commentary, so you know exactly what's going on with stocks and you know exactly what we're trading and what the next hot stock pick is. See you guys around.